Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best wiper blades is probably one of the most overlooked safety features on your 2017 Ford Escape, but they're absolutely crucial for clear visibility in rain and snow. Choosing the right wiper blades can make a huge difference in your driving experience, ensuring you can see the road ahead clearly and safely. Today, we're diving deep into the world of wiper blades to help you find the perfect set for your Ford Escape. Number 5. Rain-X Latitude 2-in-1 Wiper Blades. Introducing the Rain-X Latitude 2-in-1 Wiper Blades. This innovative blade applies a patented Rain-X water repellent directly to your windshield. It clears and repels the elements simultaneously. Experience the magic as water beads up and rolls off your windshield. This provides superior all-weather driving visibility, safety, and comfort. You'll see the difference immediately. The Rain-X Universal Adapter is easy to use and fits 96% of vehicles. Installation is simple, and you can even scan the QR code on the package for video instructions. It's designed for your convenience. These blades feature advanced beam wiper blade technology. This provides uniform pressure, allowing the blade to hug the windshield's curvature. Enjoy a smooth, clean wipe every time. Designed to perform in extreme conditions like ice, snow, and sleet. This delivers longer-lasting, superior wipe performance, ensuring clear visibility no matter the weather. It's built to last. Remember to remove the yellow squeegee cover after installation. Failure to do so will prevent the wiper blades from working properly. Ensure optimal performance with this simple step. What we like. This wiper blade stands out with its patented water repellent formula. It applies a special coating to your windshield, causing water to bead up and roll away. If you are looking for enhanced visibility in rainy conditions, this is the perfect choice, ensuring a clear view and safer driving experience. What people say. They wipe the rain off so easily and don't leave stakes on the windshield. Designed to handle rain, sleet, and snow without smearing or streaking. Glides across the windshield without chattering or skipping, even at high speeds. Number 4. Wipers factory replacement for Ford vehicles. These wiper blades are designed as factory replacements. They are compatible with several Ford models, ensuring a perfect fit. This set includes 2 blades for complete windshield coverage. This set fits Ford Edge models from 2015 to 2024. It also works with Escape models from 2013 to 2019, and Focus models from 2012 to 2018. Additionally, it is compatible with Transit Connect from 2014 to 2022. These wiper blades meet original equipment standards. They are designed to provide the same performance as the original blades. You can expect clear visibility in all weather conditions. The wiper blades feature a pinch tab design for easy installation. You can quickly replace your old blades with these new ones. It is a hassle-free upgrade for your vehicle. The package includes a set of 2 blades. This ensures you have everything you need for a complete replacement. This set will provide optimal wiping performance. What we like. These wipers are designed as original equipment replacements, ensuring a perfect fit for your Ford Escape. They are easy to install, saving you time and effort. If you value a hassle-free upgrade with guaranteed compatibility, you should consider these. What people say. Fit as expected. Super easy to install. They worked perfectly for 6 months before streaking. Number 3. Wiper blades for Ford Escape Kuga Fusion. These wiper blades are a perfect replacement for your original equipment. They are 100% brand new and designed to fit your vehicle perfectly. This set is compatible with Ford Escape models from 2013 to 2019. Please note that it is designed for pinch tab wiper arms only. These blades also fit Ford Kuga models from 2012 to 2018. Make sure your vehicle has the correct wiper arm type before purchasing. The set includes 3 wiper blades, 2 28-inch blades and 1 11-inch blade. This configuration ensures optimal windshield coverage. Installation is quick and easy. You can remove the old blades and install these new ones in minutes, ensuring clear visibility in all weather conditions. What we like. This set offers a complete OE replacement, guaranteeing quality and performance. The set includes all the blades you need for your Ford Escape. If you need a comprehensive solution for your windshield, this is a great option, providing everything you need in one package. What people say. The wiper blades fit perfectly on my 2017 Ford Escape. Installation was a breeze, taking only a few minutes. They clear the windshield effectively, leaving no streaks. Number 2. Wiper blades for Ford Escape Edge Focus. These wiper blades are designed specifically for Ford Escape, Edge, and Focus models from 2013 to 2020. They are a direct replacement for your original equipment, ensuring a perfect fit and easy installation. The set includes 2 blades, one for the driver's side and one for the passenger's side, both 28 inches in length. You'll have everything you need to replace your old wipers and restore clear visibility. These blades feature a pinch tab design, so make sure your vehicle uses this type of wiper arm before purchasing. They are not compatible with J-hook wiper arms. Please check the description for full fitment details. The blades feature a longer and thicker base with robust buckles. The award-winning design ensures they perform well in rain and snow. They remain stable, durable, and quiet in all weather conditions. With these new wiper blades, you can expect a streak-free and clear windshield. They provide superior wiping performance, ensuring your safety and comfort on the road. Get yours today. What we like. These wipers are designed as original equipment replacements, ensuring a perfect fit for your Ford Escape. The longer and thicker wiper base and award-winning unsupported beam design make it perform well in rain and snow. If you are looking for a high-quality, durable, and quiet wiper blade, you should consider these. What people say. Excellent, long-lasting wipers. Another great thing about these, I didn't have to mess around with switching the connector. They came out of the box and snapped onto my wiper arm no problem. Easy install and works great with no streaks. Number 1. AUTOBOO Ford Escape 2013 to 2019 Wiper Blades, 3-pack. These AUTOBOO wiper blades are designed specifically for your Ford Escape. They are a perfect fit for the 2013 to 2019 models, ensuring optimal performance. These blades are made with OEM quality, ensuring durability and longevity. They are designed to perform in all weather conditions, providing clear visibility. The blades feature patented pressure points for the quietest performance. This ensures a smooth and streak-free wipe, enhancing your driving safety. Installation is quick and easy, just like the original parts. It uses a pinch tab to attach to your wiper arm, saving you time and effort. You'll receive a complete set of 3 blades, left, right, and rear. Plus, they offer 24-hour online service and a 6-month return policy, ensuring your satisfaction. What we like. These wipers offer all-weather performance, ensuring clear visibility in any condition. They are designed for easy installation, fitting perfectly to your car. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-install wiper blade, this is a great choice, providing OEM quality and performance. What people say. They fit perfectly and provide clear visibility even in heavy rain. Easy to install. Vehicle take 3 different size blade and 2 different install systems. So getting one package that fulfill all those needs is great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.